Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to access your assignment for today. You're going to do what's called the peer review, so you'll get a chance to read through other people's projects, and then you'll have to type in a little bit of information that you learned from that project. So the first thing you need to do is go to our Google Classroom for 7th hour, and then go to the classwork tab right here. Click on peer review. Now I have a teacher edition of Google Classroom, so yours will look a little bit different. You need to click View Assignment right here. And then over on the right side, somewhere around here, you should see this document pop up. You want to click that document. Okay, when this window pops up, you need to go up here to the 3 white dots, click that, and then click Open in New Window. Once your new window opens, you should see this tab that appears in the middle, Open With. Click that, go down to Google Docs, and click that. And this will open up your assignment in Google Docs so that you can type on it. Okay, notice the directions here say you will choose 3 projects to review. For each project, you must type 3 interesting facts you learned while reading the project. And do not copy and paste from the presentation. You need to type it out. Put a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end of your sentence. Okay, to find the projects, you need to click this little plus sign right here and go to your drive. Okay, once your drive opens, you want to click here where it says shared with me. Now again, yours will look slightly different because you have a student edition and I have a teacher edition, but you should see a little folder icon down here that says Engineer Research Project. I have to get to mine in a slightly different way, so don't do what I'm doing right now, but I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you should see something that looks like this. A folder icon says Engineer Research Project. Double click that. And here are all of the projects that have been turned in for 7th hour. Okay, to access a project, you simply double click the project and it will open up. Over here is how you can change to the next slide. Read the information that they've typed up about their different engineers. After you've read it, you go to your peer review document, type out 3 interesting facts that you learned from their project. When you're all done with this, you turn it in through the Google Classroom. You should be able to get this assignment done today. It is due. You should have it done by the end of the hour, but if not, you need to do it as homework. We will not be working on this during class tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will be doing a different activity. All right? That's all. That's what you need to do for the rest of the hour.